How to fix your age on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you could fairly easily fix your age on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, the issue over here seems to be that, let's say while signing up to TikTok, you entered a wrong date of birth and now you're just under 16 or you're under 18 or you're under 13 or just some kind of age restrictions like that. You're not being able to conduct some of the activities and you want to change your date of birth, but you're not being able to figure out how. Well, let me tell you that the only way to change the date of birth on TikTok is to verify the TikTok customer care support themselves, and they're going to basically verify with your original document. So if your legal document do not match your date of birth to which you want to change to, TikTok is not going to approve that. But anyway, let's get started with the process. If you're sure that you want to enter your correct date of birth and how you can fix that, well, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and first of all open up the TikTok application. Once you open up the TikTok app, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. All you have to do is tap on this little profile button which you see at the bottom right, and once you go to profile icon on the very top right hand side, tap on the three lines icon, and at the bottom select settings and privacy. As you select settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a list of all these options, and here we will simply select report a problem. As soon as you select report a problem, and basically you just want to contact the TikTok customer care by tapping on this edit button, and then you want to go to feedback ticket, tap on it. Tell TikTok that you are sure you are above 18 years or older and you just want to update your date of birth. Please actually request them to get help with this. It's not easy as in other applications such as Instagram or Facebook where you could just go ahead and change the age. This is simply how TikTok works. Or else, if this option is not convenient for you and if TikTok is not getting back to you, then the only solution over here is to actually create a new TikTok account with an updated age. So whenever you sign up, there is an option to basically choose your date of birth. Make sure that you enter a date of birth that's basically 18 plus years or older. In the initial stage, TikTok will not ask you to verify any type of legal documents, so you could basically go ahead and enter an age group up to any of the which you want. And this is hopefully how you can fix your age on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.